If y'all could see how awkward I am in all the portions that I edit out at the end of this, I don't think you'll be following me anymore. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Veronika. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell primarily women's clothing on the platforms Poshmark and eBay, occasionally also on Mercari and Kidizen, but not really anymore. I also send stuff to ThredUp, but today we're actually going to talk about receiving stuff from ThredUp, and by stuff I mean clothing. I figured it would be a fun idea to go back to my very first YouTube video here on this channel, and I recorded it about 3 months ago, and it was a ThredUp women's mixed clothing rescue box unboxing. And I also thought this was fitting because I just did a live unboxing with my friend Margaret from Margaret's Market, where we both got that very same rescue box from ThredUp. It's the $60 women's mixed clothing rescue box. I believe that's what it's called. I'll insert a picture right here. It's the one that's always available, and you truly do get a mixed bag of those. So if you missed our live unboxing, check out that video over here, and also go follow Margaret on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever. And I need to mention it, I'm wearing something that I actually ordered from Margaret on Poshmark. We kind of buy stuff from each other all the time. We support each other. This Eddie Bauer cardigan with this cute little iCat pattern, I think. It's like a crochet little lightweight cardigan. I purchased that from her a while ago in a bundle, and I had yet to wear it in a video. So Margaret, again, thank you. I love it, and I will need to wear it more now that spring is coming. Today we're going to talk about the first 25-piece women's mixed clothing rescue box. I believe that's what it's called, that I unboxed on this channel, and I will link that video here in case I haven't done that already. So it was my first YouTube video. The audio is horrible, but it's gotten quite a few views. I don't know if that's because it's my first one, but in any case, I wanted to give you guys an update and actually let you know what sold from this ThredUp box. We're 3 months in. Let's see what I actually ended up listing and what ended up selling and how much money I've made so far. Let's go right into the numbers. Now, you're supposed to get 25 pieces with these rescue boxes. I got 27, but out of these 27, I only listed 21. The items that I did not list, I can insert some clips here. It was just a very basic bobo top. It had some stains on it. It was just not worth my time. There was a J. Crew pencil skirt that I either sent back to ThredUp, or I may have included it in a box that I sent to somebody when Nicole State was organizing her reseller giving tree, I think it was called, the reseller giving tree. And I had sent a just kind of like an inventory box to a fellow reseller. I hope she enjoyed what she got because she never thanked me, which was kind of weird. But in any case, I think that's where that went. So this J. Crew skirt. There was also this weird denim tunic asymmetrical mini dress number that was very funky. I donated that. There was a Shein dress that I would have listed, except it had a huge tear in the lace. I did not see that during the unboxing. There was a Juicy Couture, kind of like a sweater dress, which was cute, but also had a hole in it, and I was not about to fix that. Otherwise, I would have listed that. And then there was a pair of Bardot pins, and I didn't really know much about Bardot at the time. I looked it up, and the comps were all over the place. Some people were saying it's a good brand, others did not agree. The comps did not agree, and I don't remember what I did with them. I either put that in that reseller helping out bundle 2, or I donated them. I don't remember. They were in decent shape. I just didn't feel like listing black dressy pants. So those are the 6 items that I did not list. I did list 21 items. I will not go over every single one of those items because you can look at the video and see them there. I want to talk about what actually sold, and then maybe I will highlight some items that I really enjoyed listing, even though they haven't sold yet, but I'm hopeful that they will and make me a profit. So let's talk about what sold so far. And it's such a weird mixed little bag. So out of the 21 items that I listed, I've sold 4. The first item to sell was this Bowden sweater dress. Is really nice, really simple, and so I was surprised that that sold so fast. It sold for 24 bucks on Poshmark, and I will tell you how much I made towards the end of this video in total. Another item that sold, I think it was the second one to sell, was this pair of Under Armour little short shorts, and if you're looking at the eBay screenshot, you will notice that I misspelled Under Armour. Very embarrassing, but they still sold relatively quickly too. For 14 bucks on eBay plus shipping, and yeah, I was happy that they sold so fast. The other two items that sold on Mercari. And they were two items that I thought would just not sell or not for much, and they didn't sell for much, but I thought I was gonna sit on those much longer. The first item was this pair of Hippie Rose lounge pants in this olive green color. They were a pretty small size, so that also I thought wouldn't work in their favor, but they sold for 15 bucks with free shipping. Shipping was about $3 something, Mercari fees, all in all I think I made about 9 bucks on those, so not bad. And then this Eva Mendes for New York & Company graphic t-shirt of this salsa dancer. Also did not think that would sell. I would never pick that up, but it sold for 12 on Mercari, again with free shipping. And so after taking all the fees and such out, I think I'm probably left with around $7. Keeping in mind that my cost of goods on the items in this box was around $3 because I couldn't list them all. If you can list them all, it's about $2.60. But dividing the $65 I paid by the 21 items I listed, it was around $3 and some change. So that's what I'm going with. So those are the 4 only items that sold so far. And if you're doing the math with me, you will probably notice that I have not yet made my money back on this ThredUp box. So I sold these 4 items, and after fees and discounts and shipping and all of that good stuff, I made around 43 bucks. I did not do the exact math. I do that in my What Sold videos. I will link a playlist up here. So about $43 is what I made so far. The box was $65, which means I still have to sell at least $22 worth of clothing from this box to even break even. And then after that, I will make profit. I do have 17 items still listed, and it's only been 3 months, and I didn't think any of those 17 items would sell fast, to be honest with you. So a couple of highlights though, some items that I have, I don't want to say high hopes for, but that I hope will still sell. The first item I pulled out of my ThredUp box was this Zara skirt. It doesn't have a size tag, but according to measurements, it's roughly a size medium. It's this full-length skirt with this really cute pattern, and I did get some interest on that. I hope it'll sell for whatever I have it listed for right here. I also have a pair of Theory pants, which if all else fails, I'll send them to the RealReal. I would not get much for them, but they're really nice. I'll show them here. The Marmot jacket, it does have a little bit of a flaw, but it's on the inside, and I don't think it matters. I haven't gotten a ton of interest on that one yet, but I'm sure it'll sell. And I'm pretty sure everything from this box is cross-listed to both Mercari and eBay, because I feel like this might go on eBay, but we'll see. One item that surprised me that hasn't sold yet, but is getting a ton of attention, is this E-L-L-E, what is it? Like a scallop sleeve, Peter Pan collar. Does it have a scallop sleeve? It might not. Oh no, it has a pleated sleeve. Pleated short sleeve, little Peter Pan collar blouse. I was not excited to list that, but it's getting a ton of attention. It hasn't sold, like I said, but we'll see. I was a little bit excited about finding Madewell, but it's not getting any attention. So there's that. I personally also really love this willow and clay top, even though it has some flaws, but I think they're fixable. And I was very excited about this frame men's button-down shirt because it was new with tags, and I think it retails for like $200. Will I get a lot of money for that? No, probably not. And I probably have it priced too high, but I'm still hoping to get a good chunk of money out of that. I'm still excited for the Sam Edelman new with tags jacket. It has flaws, but hopefully, I mean, it hasn't sold yet, and we're moving into spring and summer, but hopefully in the fall this will sell. Yeah, there were a bunch of other items that I'm not particularly ecstatic about, but one that is definitely getting a lot of attention as well, which surprised me again, is this white knotted Diane von Furstenberg blouse button-down shirt. It's getting a ton of attention, but nobody wants it, and I'm sending out $20 offers with shipping discounts. So there is that. But yeah, aside from that, I'm a little bummed that that Magashoni dress is not getting more attention. I think it's beautiful. But also, where are people going to wear that right now? Maybe if prom and wedding season is back this year in some shape or form, somebody will buy it. I don't know. In any case, this is where we're at. So I'm not in the green or the black yet. But it's only been 3 months, and I think what I'm going to do with these ThredUp boxes, and maybe also with some of my other boxes that are unboxed on this channel, like Backstock, every 3 months or so I will check in and let you guys know what actually sold out of these boxes. Part of the reason why I also want to do that is that I saw a discussion not too long ago in one of the Poshmark thrifting Facebook groups where people were talking about, you know, how YouTubers ruin it for everybody by sharing the cost of goods and all of that. I don't necessarily agree with that. I don't think it's that simple. I also don't think you should be on the internet bragging how little you paid for an item and how much you sold it for. I think it's important to give some context because most of us are doing this because we need the money and also because we do like keeping clothes out of landfills. So there's more to that than just walking into a thrift store and getting something for cheap and selling it for a lot more money. And there are several steps between those two aspects of this business. In any case, one thing that some of the folks that were commenting on this thread were saying was that they would like to see more content where people discuss what didn't sell, or out of their thrift hauls, how many items actually sold. And I think that's such an interesting concept because that's also what I would like to see. Yes, it's nice to do a thrift haul and then do a what sold, but doing specific what sold videos for specific thrift hauls after a certain time frame, I personally think that can be really helpful. And if you agree, now would be a fantastic time to hit that thumbs up button and also let me know in the comments that you want to see more of this type of content, and I will be happy to film that because it's also really helpful for me to see what actually sold from a specific box or from a specific haul. If you want to see me keep doing that type of content, I will be happy to do so. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss those videos. And I will be back soon with probably another What Sold video, regular edition. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video and have a fantastic day. Bye.